Got him. Got him.
Come on, Annie.
Might be a crappie, Russ.
That'd be nice.
Either that or might be a perch. One of the two. Crappie.
Nice one.
Get him. Got him. There we go.
There we go. Grab that net.
Got him?
Yeah, I got it. There you go.
There we go.
It's a start. Let's hope this is a sign, huh?
Oh no. You wanna kiss it, Annie? There you go. Got him?
Yeah. Bring him right over.
That didn't take long. That was like 2 minutes. No, he's on there.
Yeah, I know he's on, but he isn't too big.
That's fine.
Between these two here.
Well, if you wrap up one line, that's fine. That's why we only put 6 lines out. Little crappie, I think. Looks like a little crappie. Either that or a perch. Yeah, you can lift them up. Nope, little crappie. Ooh, that's 2 already in like 10 minutes. That's all right. Throwback.
Let them grow to be a bigger crappie.
Well, that's all right. This long lining thing works. Is working. They're staging right now for the spawn. Got him. What was that? Only about a minute or 2?
Yeah, they're hitting hard now. Come on, Andy, get down.
Is he on?
A little size to that one.
Ooh, I think this is wrapped around the end. There we go. Ooh, this one has some size to it. This might be a catfish. Oh, he came off.
Let's hope you kept
this thing is caught up on something and it caused it to break the line.
That wasn't no crappie though. Sure.
It could have been.
Feels like it. Got something on it. Coming in. That'll be a fish. You think?
There's a fish on there. What?
Little tiny one.
It's a fish though.
Pulling a little more.
Little catfish. Here, just lift them up in there and
grab that, lift them up, I'll take them off.
here, just lift them up just like that. Oh, he has your other jig. That's right. Just get that other line off of there and then the other line will go back right where it needs to be. Ah, dang, no, I hit the bail.
Is he?
Is he?
He's under.
He's on there. I thought I lost him when I accidentally flipped the bail open.
See that eye?
This might be a crappie, Russ. This might be a crappie. Might be. Might be.
It's a crappie. He's better be.
He's not pulling like a catfish. Oh.
Go, Danny. Get out of the way.
Ooh. This is a crappie. It's a nice one. It looked like a catfish, didn't it?
Yeah, doesn't circle like
No, it's a crappie.
it's a nice one.
Barely got him. Got him. There we go. Maybe. Got him.
Yep.
Yeah. That's a nice one. Yeah. Got him? Got something.
I think it's a fish. Oh, yeah, it's coming in. Little guy again, whatever.
Little guy, huh?
Now we pull him a little more. Ooh. He's just coming with the...
Maybe he'll be a keeper. Right? Keep the line tight.
Snag or a fish?
Fish.
Hope that's a crappie.
I think it's gonna be a catfish though.
Yeah. You're right.
I think it's gonna be a kitty cat, Russ.
Yeah. It's definitely not a crappie. Come on. Big cat.
Yeah.
All three ones.
No, little striper. Here, I can get him. A little striper. Oh! Got him. Come get him, Russ.
Okay. Had him. I'll just see what this thing is.
I have a feeling that.
Small one.
Oh, you just lift them up then. Hold on.
Okay.
Give me some line. There you go. Ooh.
Well, if he's in here, there's more.
Ooh, let's hope.
Get out of the way there. Yeah.
Just walk backwards, Russ.
Okay. Okay.
No.